The Congress Legislature Party leader Dr. Mukul Sangma, while briefing the media on speculations about him leaving the Congress party and forming another of his own, stated that such news should be weighed and become credible as and when it comes out from the horse's mouth. When asked about party problems, Dr. Mukul Sangma said that it is required that the party should lend patient hearing to concerns and apprehensions with regards to internal matters. He added that whatsoever be the case, solutions to such problems would have to take place within the four walls of the party.
You don't have anybody who is telling a concrete story, but then that whole narrative is generated. You have to wait for a time. If it is coming from the horse's mouth, then give credibility. Okay, it's a question of giving weightage to a news when it comes from the right source. Okay, when it comes from the horse's mouth, then you give weightage. Yeah. The internal party affairs do require patient hearing to all our concern. I have to listen to my MLAs. What are their concerns? What are their apprehensions? It is not my personal problem. Okay, let us be very clear. So when we are talking about internal problems, that means the problem revolves around the people in the party, the rank and file in the party. Okay, if you follow properly in every respective districts and what is happening, what is the apprehension, then you will probably be able to understand them. But then it is not appropriate for me to actually, since we have maintained that internal differences, whatever the cases may be, the best way to resolve them is within the four walls, and then we will try our best. And since there is a various mechanism how the leadership is reaching out, I think we have reasons to be free from and not to be the victim of pessimism. That is what I say.